gonna show you my new tactical hardtail bike. And to help me for this one, I'm gonna call in Mr. Pajaklang himself kasi we're gonna describe kung ano bang laman nitong bike ko. Let's go!
Hi guys, this is Jack lang and Truman Cycle Works. So we helped Celine build this bike. The goal is to have a budget-friendly, race-ready bike. Alright, so Celine is very competitive and she wants to eventually join some XC races. And we needed to build a bike that can, give her a good chance to have fun, to compete, to stay competitive, but at the same time, doesn't break the bank. So ang goal natin here with this bike was to try to get under 50,000 pesos. Obviously,
Kaya talaga yung 50,000? Abangan!
if you're gonna build a competitive elite level race bike, you're gonna spend more than 100,000. So we didn't have that. We had a very limited budget, but we wanted to be able to do it and still have her compete against, other racers. So let's talk about the bike. We started with a carbon fiber frame. Race bike has to be light. So we found this tactical striker frame. It's a 29er. And I believe Twitter is the manufacturer of this frame. Very similar siya in design and geometry sa Twitter Storm and other Twitter frames. So I believe they're the ones who manufactured this. May nakita rin akong very similar na paint job, Twitter Leopard. Anyway, we got this for cheap, 16,500, brand new. Obviously, it has to be a 29er for her to be able to compete against all these other experienced racers. Yeah, that's the frame we chose. Next, we went with our fork. It's gotta be. Hello. We got friends over here interested in this bike. Excuse me, guys. Alright, so our fork. Next, we went to the fork. We looked at several choices and we found something fairly affordable. This is a used RockShox Reba and it's got a remote lockout, 120 travel. We found it for like 10,500, which is pasok sa budget natin. So we went ahead and got this. Alright, next, our wheel set. This wheel set, we got this from Lazada, I believe, and we're testing this out. I know most of the parts people get from Lazada or Shopee, they don't last very long. So we're testing this out muna before maybe we swap it out, seeing if they're durable, if they're gonna hold. And this is going to be temporary for now. We might swap this out later on. But so far, we've had 2 long rides with it. Haven't had any issues. So we got that, I think it was less than 5,000. Kasama na yung gulong. Alright? And then, move on to our brakes. Our brake set, we found a used set of Shimano Dior XT. Obviously, when you're racing really fast, you have to have really good brakes to be able to stop. So, we had this Dior XT from another bike before. So, medyo pahiram lang to dito. Pero, I think we spent maybe 8,000 to get this set before. So, sinama na rin natin yan sa budget natin. But again, this might be temporary, this brake set. Obviously, medyo naubos na yung funds natin, yung budget natin with the wheel set, with the fork. So, we had to go and save some money somewhere, and we saved some money on our drivetrain. So nag L2 tayo, L2 AT11 or A11T. I've used this drivetrain for many other bikes before. Very happy with it, no complaints. It shifts fast, it's very smooth. It's affordable. The whole set was only about 3,000. Yung shifter na with the rear derailleur. So we spent 3,000 on that. Shimano chain, the cogs, 11 speed, cost 1,500. So we saved a lot of money on the drivetrain. We also managed to get a FOB No Ghost crankset, 1x setup, and we got that used. Not brand new na to, is about 3,000. We were able to get this for like under 2,000. So we saved a lot of money there. our
Sorry for the interruption, you guys.
pedals. Makita nyo, this is temporary because the goal is obviously for her to be able to compete. She needs to use cleats or clipless. And hindi pa siya marunong. So we're baby steps muna. Mag-start tayo with these straps. Once she feels comfortable with them, then move on to clipless. So temporarily lang tong pedals na to. Eventually we're gonna put Crank Brothers egg beaters on it. Para lightweight talaga. Alright, so that's our pedal situation. Let's talk about the cockpit. Cockpit natin, carbon fiber, EC90, stem, handlebars, seat post, our saddle, Celitalia Remed, very soft and comfortable. I love these saddles actually. Hindi naman ganun kabigat pero malambot kaya komportable. So, total weight of the whole bike is under 11 kilos. And we probably could go a little bit lighter on some other bikes, pero we're quite satisfied with this for now. And so far, we've done 2 long rides. She's performed well. A couple of things that need to be tweaked, pero so far so good. And hopefully, once she figures out how to use the cleats, this bike will be set and ready for her for racing. So that's it. That's our bike check for this awesome tactical bike.
One more time. Konting ahon dito. Since naka-lockdown tayo, hanggang village lang muna. Ikot-ikot lang to try my bike again. Na-ride ko na tong bike ko 3 times. First one ko is my century ride. Nagpunta kami ng Perilla. That is 100 km ride. Second one ko is nag-trail naman ako. So, na-try ko na din to sa trail. Nagpunta kami sa single track, La Mesa. And then the third one is nung Thursday lang. Nagpunta kami sa Dunkin' Donuts bike through sa Tomas Morato branch. So this is my tactical full carbon hard seal bike built by Truman Cycle Works. That's Mr. Pagkakang. Hopefully nakita siya. One more try. Super lightweight. Ang gusto ko sa bike na to, sobrang gaan niya. My bike is 11 kilos. So, if you guys want to have your own, meron pa silang tactical frame sa Truman Cycle Works. Is located at ground floor, Mandala Park, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong. This is my carbon bike. Budget friendly? Yes. Carbon Lodi? Of course, yes. So here you go. This is my bike. Woohoo! Thanks, sir. end of my video for today. Thank you so much for everyone. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested to build your own tactical bike, you can go ahead and visit Truman Cycle Works at ground floor, Mandala Park, Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. Thank you so much again for Pajaglang, Mr. Truman Cycle Works, sa ating collaboration for today. And bye-bye!
Yan, ang yabang po talaga niya.